welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic to explore: can we charge electric scooter at home? Unraveling the basics. Let's start with fundamentals. How does an electric scooter work? The science behind charging your electric scooter and how it keeps you on the go. Charging at home dash. Types of electric scooter batteries. Explore the various battery types and how they impact the charging process. Charging equipment, what you need. Get acquainted with the essential charging equipment and how to set it up for safe charging. Charging safety tips. Safety first. We share crucial safety measures to ensure a worry-free charging experience. How to charge your electric scooter at home. Step-by-step guide. We'll walk you through a process. Select a dedicated charging area, install a wall-mounted charger, connect the charger to your scooter. Plug in the charger. Monitor the charging process. Disconnect and store the charger. Do's and don'ts. Learn the do's and don'ts of electric scooter charging to extend battery life and prevent mishaps. Charging time and battery life. Understanding charging time. Discover the factors that influence charging time and how to optimize it for efficiency. Prolonging battery life. Learn practical tips to extend your electric scooter's battery life for long-lasting performance. Charging tips for optimal performance. Ideal charging frequency. Find out how often you should charge your electric scooter to maintain optimal performance. Top-up charging versus full charging. Explore the pros and cons of top-up charging and full charging for your electric scooter. Charging on the go. Portable charging solutions. Discover ingenious portable charging options when you're away from home. Public charging stations. Learn how to locate and use public charging stations for ultimate convenience. Charging etiquette and considerations. Respecting charging spaces, be a responsible rider. Tips on using charging spaces considerately in public areas. Temperature and charging. Uncover the impact of temperature on your electric scooter's charging process. With this comprehensive guide, charging your electric scooter at home is a breeze. Embrace the convenience, and let's roll together! Remember, a well-charged scooter means endless adventures.